Hello guys, and welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to download Gimp on Windows. Gimp is a free photo editing tool that offers advanced features like the layers, unlike basic programs like Paint. Just click on the link in the description to access the download page. Click the download button, then select download directly. Once the setup file downloads, run it. Choose whether to install it for yourself or other users. Then select your preferred language, then click OK. Click Customize and agree to the terms, then choose Installation Location and select Full Installation for all features, or Compact Installation if you have limited space. Decide if you want a desktop shortcut and then click Install. When done, click Finish and double-click the desktop shortcut or find it in the Start menu. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.